Welcome to Famigo Dashcam, where calm commutes flip the script and turn into moments you can't look away from. Hit subscribe and see how fast normal disappears.
Sometimes the worst hits come from the ones you never see coming. Rushing never gets you there faster. It just gets you into trouble sooner. Wet roads don't forgive speed, they punish it. Some lessons don't need sirens to be loud. What would you do in that moment? A second of caution can save you from a world of regret. Power without control eventually turns into danger. Do you think patience matters more than power behind the wheel? Share your thoughts below. Guess someone's brake pedal got the memo a little too late. Every flight has a landing, but not all are planned. Moments like that remind us, every drive fail moment starts with confidence and ends with gravity. Distance isn't just space, it's the few seconds that decide most dashcam car crashes. And with just one extra look, you could save both a repair bill and a long, exhausting day. The road is a shared space. What you rush through, someone else pays for. The faster you go, the narrower the road becomes, and the fewer choices you have left. When control slips away, every second becomes a lesson in humility.
Holy.
Control isn't about gripping the wheel, it's about staying calm when things start to slip.
Don't do shit.
Danny Holtz. Danny Holtz. Hold on, let's see what...
Thank you so much.
All right, bye-bye.
A moment of impatience can steal what someone spent a lifetime holding on to. Trouble doesn't come from what stands still, it comes from what rushes to get ahead. From one careless moment, the whole road turns into a domino show. That wasn't rush hour. It looked more like bumper cars at a country fair. What's the first thing that came to your mind watching this? A quick turn might save a second, but cost the rest of your day. Intersections demand more than rules. They require respect. On the road, politeness doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it just starts with a small signal. When the road is wet, control isn't about skill, it's about respect. Headlights show the way, but patience keeps you safe.
I'm so done with it.
Well, that's one expensive way to compare bumpers.
Fucking god. What the fuck?
That felt like a bumper car game at rush hour, except nobody's laughing. Keeping distance isn't just polite, it's protection. Sharing the road means looking twice, not assuming once. Forgetting to slow down is the fastest way to meet trouble. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible drive fails moments. Patience doesn't slow you down, it just keeps you from stopping at the repair shop. The light may be green, but the road still needs patience. Slow down a beat and you might avoid someone else's mistake. What do you think? Could this have been avoided? You can escape the scene, but never the consequence. That turn was less about direction and more about bad decisions. No one's above caution, not even the flashing lights. A creative way to ignore a sign, just take it with you. Balance on the road doesn't come from the wheels, it comes from awareness. Lights in the dark aren't decoration, they're warnings written by experience. Some visits don't need an invitation, but they sure leave a mark.
Today's Famigo Dashcam comes to a close. Drive safe, stay alert, and keep that seatbelt fastened. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.